Hi, if you're building an app or even just thinking about one, this video might save you months of work. Most MVPs don't fail because of bad code. They fail because people build the wrong thing, too fast, too complex, without clarity. My name is Anastasia. I build MVPs using no code and AI. And today I want to show you what actually breaks MVPs and how to avoid. I work with founders and solo creators. They usually come to me excited. They say, I have an idea. This app will change everything. But when I ask for a technical brief, there is none. No clear user journey, no prioritization, no understanding of what really matters in version 1. And that's not their fault. Nobody teaches people how to think before building. Here's the pattern I see again and again. People believe if I add more features, my app will be better. That's false. Features don't create value. Clarity does. Most MVPs fail because they try to do too much before proving anything. And then people blame the tools. Adalo is limited. No code can't scale. AI is not ready. But that's not the real issue. The real issue is this: they start building before they understand the problem. No tool can fix that. Not code, not AI, not money. My approach is simple, but not easy. I don't start with tools. Before opening Adalo, before drawing screens, before thinking about features, I ask three questions. What problem does this app solve? Who is this for? What is the smallest version that still makes sense? Only after that do I allow myself to build. And this is where AI becomes powerful. I use AI not to replace thinking, but to speed it up. AI helps me explore options, compare ideas, spot contradictions. But the decisions are always mine. In my course, I use a habit tracker as an example, not because habits are special, but because this example clearly shows product thinking. A bad MVP would include analytics, gamification, AI coach, social features, leaderboards. A good MVP asks one simple question: can a user add a habit, track it daily, and see progress? That's enough. Everything else can wait. This mindset alone saves people months, sometimes years, of wasted work. Something interesting happens when people work with me. They come with a small idea, and during the process, they realize, oh, I didn't think about this. I didn't see that dependency. I didn't understand how users would actually behave. That's because I don't think like a typical developer. I think like a user, like a founder, like someone who wants the product to survive in the real world. My job is often to protect people from themselves, from overbuilding, from premature complexity, from expensive mistakes. If this way of thinking resonates with you, I documented my full process step by step. From idea to structure to a working MVP. No code, no over engineering, just clarity first, execution second. You can build your first real MVP in one evening. The link is below. Remember this: you don't need more features. You don't need a perfect app. You need the right first version. If you want to build products that actually make sense, follow the channel. I'll see you in the next video.